How to delete your Yahoo Mail account. Follow this step to close your account securely. Open your Yahoo Mail application. Then tap onto the profile icon from the top left corner. In the account section, you have to choose Settings. Then tap on Manage Account. Select the account which you want to delete. Tap on it. In your account, you can see the option of Delete Account. Tap on it. You have to verify with fingerprint ID. You have to enter your email address and tap on Next. Now the Yahoo have sent you 6-digit code on your email. You have to tap that code in this platform. Then Yahoo account will be deactivated immediately but to remain recoverable for 30 days. After this period, it will permanently deleted along with your emails, contacts and data. And that's it. Your Yahoo Mail account is now scheduled for deletion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.